See that? Okay, and then going to be filled in with other veggies later on as we fill in the rest with other vegetables that needs to go in there too. So, and here's the rest of the bok choy. Put in there, which is very easy to cook. That's there. Yeah. Put our chicken in so that we have room to put in other vegetables. So here's the kale that we were able to save. Right there. And then for the broccolini, which we grow in our backyard, are here. I have flowers and leaves. No actual broccolini, because we just spring, summer now, into summer, so we don't have the actual broccolini. But we have the leaves and the sprout or the flowers or the blossom. Okay, we're gonna let that cook in. All right. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous that is. That's tinola. Okay.